Horizontal is correct. And how do you know that? The 25 is bigger. So this is going to be horizontal. What's the center? Okay? Because what's with the X and the Y on top? That's where my H and K would go. So here's my center. So next, the vertex and the co-vertex. Y'all, the vertex, what is my A value? A is 5, and what's my B value? 3. So I'm going to count 5 horizontally both ways. And so then we can draw. And what's the last thing I need? I need the focus point. So I get C squared. Now, what's A squared? 25. And what's B squared? Minus 9. So 25 minus 9 gives me what? 14. So my C is going to equal plus or minus the square root of 14. Okay. That's what she was just counting. I'm like, wait, she's only 14, and then she was recounting. It's your fault. Are you recording? You're recording. Wait, can they hear us? Sure. Okay. Always record? Always. Okay. Thank you. So it's plus or minus 4. I'm gonna, after I do the next one, y'all, I'm gonna come back and explain about the focus. All right? Okay. So I have x plus 1 squared over 25 plus y plus 5 squared over 16 equals 1. So y'all, is this going to be horizontal or vertical? Horizontal again. My center this time. So let's put -1, -5. So my A value is what? So my B value? So the vertex, I'm going to count 5 each way. And then the co-vertex, the shorter one is going up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So my vertex are going to be 4, -5, and -6, -5. -1, -1, and -1, -9. And then we can draw. So next I need the focus, which is going to be A squared minus B squared. So I'm going to have 25 minus 16, and that's 9. So my C is plus or minus 3. Okay, so the focus is the last thing we're going to put on the ellipse, y'all. It's the last thing. So you go to the center. So here's my center. Which one is bigger, this way or this way? It's this way. So on this axis, I'm going to count 3 this way and 3 this way. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. These are the focus. So here, Again, it's horizontal, so I'm going to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the focus. And that's how you're always going to find it. A squared minus B squared. For the focus, F. F for focus. So on that one, we would have to have a calculator and our drawing. Okay. So the focus